improving mitochondrial function, which will then lead to less inflammation and less potential susceptibility
Yeah.
to a variety of chronic illnesses.
Yeah, and inflammation is a tricky one. It's a double-edged sword, right? We need an inflammatory response for so many reasons. Without it, we would all die of infection very rapidly. So the big question is, how do we have powerful anti-inflammatories, a process that we know is linked to many diseases? How do we generate more powerful anti-inflammatories without suppressing the immune system? That's the double-edged sword of the anti-inflammatory strategy. And I'm hoping that focusing on the metabolism, the metabolic health of the cell, instead of focusing on the immune system itself, will allow us to generate a more powerful anti-inflammatory effect because we're not directly poisoning the immune system. We're not blocking cytokines or any of these other signals that are essential to our body's ability to detect and defend ourselves from infections and so many other processes. And that's the key part was that this DRP1, this fission response. The key insight, I mean, people wanted to drug this target for a long time. The key insight was that there was a specific protein that was only involved in this inflammatory response. And by getting incredibly precise about what part of this system we were blocking, we were able to find a way to block this inflammatory metabolic response without blocking the normal everyday function of mitochondria.